Hello, beauties. Hello, beautiful people. Joy is on the microphone. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. It is that time of the year. My window is open in case if you're hearing background noise. I always say it. I live close to the road, a very busy road, and my window is open. It's summer. I have to leave my windows open. But anyways, welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Okay, I put it down. It is that time of the year. It is that time of the year where we do what? Where we prepare for winter. As a Nigerian, as an African, especially Nigerians, I don't know if other Africans eat tomatoes as we Niger people. Now we too they eat tomatoes. When you go now at the grocery store, they started bringing out boxes of tomatoes and peppers, mostly tomatoes. If you see how Nigerians will rush these things, hey, go to all these places. This is end of August. Yeah, this is towards the end of August. Last year I didn't do it on time, so when I went to do grocery the other day, I saw that they've brought out tomatoes and they are very nice, very red, but it's not like big ones, like small ones. Anywho, I want to go back and check and see if they still have it, because this year I want to do it on time. I don't want to wait until later. I know last year why I waited until later was because I wanted to get a new freezer, a stand-up freezer, because the one I had last year was small one. Before I bought a bigger one, a stand-up one. But anyways, before I go, I wanted to talk to us. The thing that is happening in the social media space, especially among us black people and us Nigerians, I don't know. Why are we hating on each other unnecessarily, unprovoked? Like, one thing we have to understand is that a house divided against itself will never stand. How can you be hating on your fellow person that is in the same boat as you, in the same situation? We're all suffering the suffering together. What we have to understand, that it is our common enemy is the political class that are looting our resources, and they are trying and they are succeeding in sowing seed of discord, seed of distrust, dividing us, because they know that if we are in one accord, one goal, one voice, stand together, we are going to defeat them. So they sow this seed of hatred among people that are just like you, whether we all look the same. Yorubas want Igbos to leave Lagos. Igbos, not all Igbos, okay, not all Yorubas, okay. I have to mention that it is few people, but those become like a mouthpiece, because hatred is heard loud than when people are talking about love and building community together. Our common enemy are the political elites and the religious rulers that want to keep you down, that want to keep you disorganized, disoriented, divided among yourself, so that you cannot accomplish your goal. Let's stop all this hatred and bigotry going around. It does not help us. It has never helped and it will never help. I just wanted to drop that here before I go and do my grocery and do my bulk shopping. I don't know what I'm going to find, but I'm going to take you guys along and we'll see what we're going to get there. I think this is the best time. Once they start bringing out these tomatoes in boxes, this is the best time to buy them. Like I said, the reason why I didn't buy early last year was because I was looking for a freezer. But I want to go now. Finally, I braided my hair. I braided my hair by myself. The thing is too short that they continuously fall out, and then I have to remake it, put it back.
Getting lost is time not wasted, as long as it's with you. Unknown roads and foreign places, traveling through. We could drive.
Is this a $5?
I don't know. That's what it says here, right?
Yeah.
Half bushel.
What's that?
This?
Eh?
Maybe this is half bushel. I don't know. It's until when you get to the cash, then you know. Even if it's 10, it's still okay.
Yeah, I already bought 10.
You already bought for $10?
Yes, I bought 4 already. But if it's $5, it's a good deal. So
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. But they don't have pepper.
No pepper.
No pepper. Yeah. They had small last week.
Oh, they have pepper.
They had last week just small few boxes over there.
What kind of pepper?
Like the shepherd peppers.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So we are going to pick up these ones. Oh my gosh. I think I need
Around in circles. Any place will do. Endless days it feels purple. In our car's review. And crowds are always few.
So guys, I'm done buying. I bought 4 boxes. $5. Five bucks. It's half bushel, right? That's how they sell it here, half bushel. $5 per half bushel. I bought this $25 last year, and again, like I said, it's because I bought them late. I bought them around towards the end of October, November. I can't remember, but I know it was in October. I thought it was October, ending of October, November. But $5, that's a steal. That's a steal. I bought only 4 boxes. When I finish preparing it, if I still have space and they still have, then I can buy more. But I normally will substitute. No, I will normally will support. That's what will support these ones with canned tomatoes. So I add canned tomatoes to it. But if I have space, I will buy more so that I wouldn't have to add canned tomatoes when I'm making. We don't even eat so much stew. It's mostly jollof rice. My family, they love jollof rice. All of us, including me, all of us, we love jollof rice. So I went to Freshco. That's why I went to buy my own. Just in case if you're wondering where I bought my own, is Freshco. I don't know if there are other places. I haven't checked other places. I know sometimes they also have it at No Frills. I don't shop at No Frills as much anymore. When I was in Toronto, No Frills was where I normally shop. No Frills and Walmart, but this is the closest to me. It's just like maybe 10 minutes walking distance from my house, and I get to this place. Or if I drive, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, and I'm here. So this is where I came to buy mine. You can check other grocery stores around you or farmers markets if you don't have Freshco, or if they don't sell it at Freshco next to you. And I am living in Brantford, Ontario. Just in case if you're wondering, Brantford, Ontario in Southern Ontario. Yes, Brantford, Ontario in Southern Ontario. Anyways, I'm going to go now, and maybe tomorrow, not tomorrow, during the weekend, I'll prepare this. Hopefully, I'll keep it in the basement where it's cool so that it doesn't spoil. Because I can see like 1 or 2 that is already having that bad awarawa kind of tomato. So I will remove all those ones when I'm gonna go home now so I can do other things. Anywho, Joy talks a lot.
Getting lost is time not wasted. As long as it's with you. Unknown roads and foreign places that we're traveling through.